Attention, WhatsApp users. A new feature is coming. You will soon be able to hide groups within WhatsApp communities. Only invited members will see these hidden groups, which is perfect for private or sensitive conversations. Please note that once a group is hidden, you cannot make it visible again. Attention, WhatsApp users. A new status notification feature is coming. You will now receive notifications when someone like or react to your status. You can also turn off this feature at any time. Attention, WhatsApp users. A new feature is coming to communities. Soon, you'll be able to transfer ownership of your community to anyone. It's perfect for those who don't want to manage it anymore. Attention, WhatsApp users. A new security feature is coming. WhatsApp will automatically block messages from unknown numbers. This can help protect users from spam, scams, and harassment. Attention, WhatsApp users. You can now quickly and easily manage your WhatsApp privacy. WhatsApp has added a new privacy checkup feature that provides quick shortcuts to review and adjust your privacy settings. Attention, WhatsApp users. Soon, you'll be able to talk to Meta AI using voice messages. Just record what you want to ask and send it. Attention, WhatsApp users. A new feature is coming to WhatsApp status. You can now secretly tag people in your status. Everyone can see your status, but no one can see the people you tag in your status. Only you can see it, and the person you tag can only see themselves. Attention, WhatsApp users. Check out new WhatsApp updates. Soon, you will see new icons. A new heart button will appear when you view a status. Tap it to like the status.